Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Jamaica Constabulary Force getting 274 new vehicles. Now these haven't been ordered, these have been handed over to the police this week. So this is an excellent move by the government because the crime figures have been coming down in Jamaica. So if the police get more vehicles, then they will be able to fight crime better and the figure should come down more. So this is an excellent move. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And the breakdown is 121 pickup trucks. The police seem to like the pickups. 55 sports utility vehicles, SUVs. 3 coaster buses, 5 highest buses, and 90 motorcycles. Because remember, it's important for the police to be on patrol, but we also need the buses to get the police to certain areas, different areas. Remember, so this is a good mix, and 90 motorcycles. Hopefully, all 90 will be put on the road for traffic because we have some serious indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica, so 90 more motorcycles should help. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. The policing capabilities of the Jamaica Constabulary Force have been bolstered with the acquisition of 274 new vehicles. The vehicles representing investment of 1.7 billion by the government comprise 121 pickup trucks, 55 sports utility vehicles, 3 coaster buses, 5 highest buses, and 90 motorcycles. Addressing the handover ceremony at the Police Commissioner's headquarters at Old Hope Road, St. Andrew, National Security Minister Harris Chang said the government is committed to providing members of the police force with the tools they need to execute their duties. These vehicles are symbolic of our continued investment in the force. We understand that law and order, public safety, and security is one of the pillars on which we build a strong economy and a safe society, and it is important to the quality of life, he said. The government is committed to building out a strong police force and providing law enforcement with the tools they require to get the job done, which involves the right vehicles for the right job, he noted. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.